digital revolution enabled by hyperconnectivity has entirely changed the way in which we consume our goods and services. Instant responsiveness is now critical for all industries. Technological advancement has given rise to a new era of manufacturing. We call this Industry 4.0, and it is redefining possibilities in the new digital economy. Manufacturers are now able to elicit a deeper level of customer intimacy and engagement through flexible personalization of products and services. Hyper-agility is now a reality through enhanced connectivity between demand and supply. Powerful analytics make it possible to generate meaningful insights from data and provide predictive views to enable real-time decision-making. Our long-term technology partner, SAP, has re-engineered their technology solutions to enable us to maximize business outcomes through Industry 4.0. SAP S4 HANA enables new generation manufacturing scenarios with real-time management and analysis of big data being generated every second across the manufacturing landscape. At Atos, we combine our industry and technology expertise to maximize the value created for your business through SAP HANA. We are proud to be the digital transformation partner of choice for our clients through our end-to-end capabilities. We also have unique technology platforms and appliances that maximize the benefits of the in-memory capabilities of SAP HANA. We work with you at every step to shape and realize your Industry 4.0 vision. Now is your second of decision.